Hello students, let us see the question number 6 in quiz 1. They have given the resistance between A and B, B and C and C and A. Here we have to find the values of RA, RB, RC. Here we have to find RA, RB, RC. So in the question they have given the resistance between A and B, the resistance between A and B with C open, which C open is 6 ohms, and the resistance between B and C with A open is 11 ohms. The resistance between C and A with B open 9 ohms. So first point, second point, third point. They have given this information. The resistance between A and B with C open 6 ohms. The resistance between B and C and A open 11 ohms. The resistance between C and point A, that is 9 ohms. You can draw the same circuit like this. You can draw the same circuit. This is a point A, this is a point B, this is point C, and this is your RA, RB, RC. So in the question they have given the resistance between A and B with C open, B and C with A open, and A and C with B open. Here there is a trick. We like by studying these three statements, just we come to know that they have given a delta, but it is not the case. It is not the case of star to delta conversion or delta to star conversion. Just write these statements in terms of equation. Resistance between A and B with C open. What do you mean by that one? That is RA plus RB is equal to 6 ohms. Resistance between B and C. So resistance between A and B with C open is nothing but C is eliminated. If C is eliminated, how will be the, this is A, this is a point B. So they are telling that the total resistance, equivalent resistance between A and B, equivalent resistance between A and B. This is your RA and this is your RB. What will be the equivalent resistance with C open? There is no any C. There is no any C. Only you have two branches. So the resistance between A and B with C open, C is opened and C is eliminated. The equivalent resistance between A and B becomes RA plus RB. Similarly, if I consider between B and C, so this branch is eliminated. This branch is eliminated in nothing but here you will have B, here you will have RB and RC. This is your point B, this is your C. So the resistance between B and C is nothing but these two comes under in series. If there is a one more branch, then there is a current division takes place. So RB plus RC. Similarly, between C and A, between C and A with B open. Here this is your C and this is your A and this is your RC and this is your RA. The resistance between C and A is nothing but summation of RC and RA. So RA plus RB equal to 6 ohms, RB plus RC equal to 11 ohms, RC plus RA equal to 9 ohms. From this is your equation number 1, 2 and this is your 3. Add 1, 2, 3. Then what you will get? RA plus RB, RB plus RC, RC plus RA, which is equal to 11 plus 9, 20, 26. From this RA is repeated 2 times. So you can write 2 of RA plus RB plus RC is equal to 26. From this RA plus RB plus RC, which is equal to 13. Let us write it as the fourth equation. RA plus RB plus RC. I want to find RA. If I replace this RB plus RC, I want to find RA. RA kavalani. If I want to find RA, here I know RB plus RC value. So substitute 2 in 4 or do 4 minus 2. 4 equation minus 2. 4 is RA plus RB plus RC minus RB minus RC, which is equal to 13 minus 11. So RB, 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 RB. Then here you will get your RA is equal to 2 ohms. So RA we got RA equal to 2 ohms. Similarly, I want to find RB. For RB, just do 4 minus 3. What is 4? RA plus RB plus RC minus RC minus RA, which is equal to 13 minus 9. RC, RC, RA, RA. So from this RB is equal to 4 ohms. So RB is 4 ohms. Similarly, I want to find RC. For RC, just do 4 minus 1. 4 is your RA plus RB plus RC minus RA minus RB, 13 minus 6. RA, RA, RB, RB. Then RC is equal to 13 minus 6 is equal to 7 ohms. So RC equal to 7 ohms. So here you got RA is 2 ohms, RB is 4 ohms, RC is 7 ohms. So by seeing the circuit, just by simply seeing the circuit, just we come to know that they have given, we have to find star to delta conversion, but it is not the case. So read statements carefully before attempting any question. So like this we have to find. So option number B is your answer. Option number B, that is 2 ohms, 4 ohms and 7 ohms. So we'll see next class, we'll see that is your equation, that is question number 7.